Hello everybody. Okay. This video is going to be on genetics, and it's certainly not a very interesting subject for everybody, but still, genetics. It is the branch of biology which deals with the transfer of genes from parents to offspring. We understand this, the characters of the parents being transferred to the children. And this was studied first by a person called, next one, Gregor Mendel. Johann Gregor Mendel, the father of genetics. And he was born in Austria, which is in a part which now belongs to the Czech Republic. He was very interested in plant biology and inheritance, probably because his parents were farmers. And he cultivated and tested more than 25,000, almost 30,000 pea plants between the year 1856 and 1863. That was a large amount of plants that he studied on. Okay. He chose the pea plant because of several reasons. Because this pea plant has special features which enabled him to come to his deductions. Okay. First one, it bears bisexual flowers, meaning it has the male and the female parts in it. Second one, pollination was easy. It was easy to control pollination. And now, pea plants actually undergo self-pollination naturally, but he could also control cross-pollination. Thereby, he could transfer any type of pollens to the stigma of another flower. The third one, it has a short lifespan, so he could go over this year-wise. Third one, the fourth one, easy to cultivate. It did not need extravagant preparations, etc. And these are certain things that also helped him but at his time, during his time, people did not know about chromosomes at all. Now, Gregor Mendel had to work without the knowledge of DNA, without knowledge of genes. But these are the things that also helped him. First one is, it had only 14 chromosomes. And the second one is, all the characters that he chose were on different chromosomes. Therefore, whatever he studied, or whatever he was trying to get the results of, that was possible because of these two hidden reasons. The next one, chromosome number. Now we all know that different organisms have different number of chromosomes. Now just check into some of the chromosome number of different organisms. Mosquito has just 6 chromosomes. Pea, cucumber, aloe vera has 14. Notice this is the one that Gregor Mendel studied on. Tomato and rice has 24. Maize and cannabis, one plant that some of you might be interested in, has 20 chromosomes. Another one, this is interesting. Garlic, kangaroo, it goes 16 chromosomes. Chimpanzee, tobacco, look at the contrast. Tobacco and potato, they go 48. Now, just look at the number and just see. The number of chromosome does not mean that, an organism is not dependent upon, the formation of an organism is not dependent on the number of chromosomes. It is dependent on what is there in that chromosome, the genes that are found in the chromosomes. For example, let me give you a better example here. Garlic and kangaroo both have 16 number of chromosomes. But garlic has those genes which enables it to form only garlic. Whereas kangaroo has, again, 16 chromosomes, but the genes that are present in these 16 chromosomes are different. So it does not form a garlic, but forms a kangaroo instead. So likewise, chimpanzee, tobacco, they all have different genes in those chromosomes. Another thing to notice here is, all of them are in even numbers. Meaning, half of it comes from the female parent, and the other half comes from the male parent. and when they combine, it gives a even number. So we have 2 sets of chromosomes for each gene. Okay, the next one. There's nothing to know about chromosomes here. Dogs have 78, whereas humans have 46. This also tells us that the number of chromosomes does not mean, sophistication. Higher organisms like humans do not have high number of chromosomes. It's not necessary. It's the genes that are present in the chromosomes that matter. So the next one is Mendel recorded heredity of 7 characters only. He just studied these 7 characters, and he was very fortunate to select these 7, and all of these 7 were on different chromosomes. Therefore, all his studies were correct, and he could get the right answers to his questions. And these are the 7 characters that he studied on. Next one. Plant height, flower location, flower color. As far as flower location is concerned, it's about whether it's at the tip. If it's at the tip of a leaf, then it's called the terminal, or axial, meaning between the stem and the leaf. If it's at this angle, it's called axial. So these are the 2 different locations that we're talking about. And flower color, of course, easy to understand. Seed color, seed shape, pod color, and pod shape. So now, just the characters here. But the characters, each of these characters have different versions of it. So these are the versions that we're going to look at. One of it is called the dominant one. And these are the dominant traits or dominant characters for all these different characteristics. Okay? Tall, axial, purple, yellow, round, green, and inflated. All these are the dominant. This is the one that appears in the plant, or it expresses itself in the organism. And the other one is called the recessive, which remains hidden. Okay? So dwarf or short trait, terminal, white, green, wrinkled, yellow, shrunken pods. They are all recessive traits. So there's nothing very difficult to understand here. So we'll move on to the next one. Mendel's work of laws of inheritance actually led to the formation of these several laws. First one, law of segregation. Second, law of independent assortment. And third one, law of dominance. We will stop here and we will continue with important terms in the next video. Thank you.